Day 2! Day 2 with mashed potato. Ito yung lunch ni Ellie. Happy lunch time, guys.
It's
Happy what?
Wednesday.
Sunday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
It's Wednesday.
Yummy.
It's Wednesday.
Say hi, Aya.
Hi, it's Wednesday today.
Lunch.
Lunch day. Lunch time.
What time is Wednesday? I'm kain na. May potato sauce or vitamin.
So dito na guys, nang kain serye ni Ellie. Again, mashed potato yung kinakain niya. Ayan, no?
3 days yun.
So in 3 days, papakain na namin siya ng mashed potato. We'll try another food
We'll try
after 3
a
days.
We're going to try a broccoli.
Ano? Yummy, so yummy.
Baby, don't like broccoli.
Baby don't like broccoli. Wow! Yummy, yum! Yummy potato!
Gusto mo initin eh? Ano gusto mo initin? Mix mo muna po.
Yan.
Mix.
Takaw.
Like this. Like this, nanay.
Wow! Takaw naman ang baby na to. Oops.
Hungry.
So hungry. So hungry ang baby na to.
Yes. Yes, guys. Mainit to.
Mamaya.
Ang ginawa ni nanay, pinakuluan niya yung potato. Tapos blend na namin. Ayan, oh. Meron kaming gamit na blender dito. And ito na yun. Ayan, oh. Hanggang tomorrow, ito yung kakainin niya during lunch. Oops.
During lunch. Pero kaninang
Lunch
morning.
lang, pero kaninang morning.
Kaninang morning, nag-eat siya.
Gawain ni nanay.
Nag-eat siya kaninang morning.
Aya, anong kain mo, Kaya? What's your food? What's your food po? Ha?
Guway.
Buhay.
Guway. So yummy!
So I
Grabe
see.
naman.
Yummy macaroni!
Grabe naman.
Hey, wait! Wait, Nana, wait! Nana, if you put the airplane like this.
Airplane.
Airplane! Woo!
Open like this. Now, and put in mouth.
So delicious! What time is it? It's 11:49. Tama-tama, lunchtime na.
Mauubos niya na.
This is my food. Tokoik. Hey, mabunod na!
Opo, puno na.
Ay, init ko na.
Wow! Wow!
So, guys, this is my food.
Umit ka na po dyan.
So, guys, this is Tokoik and Chicos. And this is my food.
Sino bumili niyan?
Ikaw nagpaikan. Ay,
Last one. Oh no! Ang takaw ng Elibo namin.
so dirty.
So dirty na. Wow!
Pinawantik niya lang. Ano, parang sanay na sanay ng kumain.
Wait lang po! Wait lang! Last one. Yay!
No more!
Guys, ubos.
Oh no, no more
Wala
na.
Wala na po. Tomorrow naman. No more. Bye! Bye-bye!